there anything really the Fed can do to boost the economy at this point that they haven't already done?
Well, you know, Michael, it's interesting that the Fed does, as you know, have a formula for how much quantitative easing is necessary to bring rates into a what would be an appropriate negative equilibrium. That is to say that whatever it is, $250 billion worth of QE is worth 1/4 of a point in terms of short-term rates and its impact. So I think the Fed will look at that going forward and say we're going to have to increase asset purchases to keep things going. And one thing, Michael, I'll mention here is, people talk a lot about negative interest rates and that the Fed is not into discussing negative interest rates. I would remind people that long-term rates in Europe are below the policy rate. The German Bund rates are below the overnight policy rate. So I wouldn't be surprised if we did get the scenario Tom and I were talking about, that the market would just take over and drive interest rates into negative territory, even without the support of the Fed.